Day one homeless. Don't know how I feel, to be honest with you. The past 4 days have been a fucking blur. This is just gonna be a visual diary of what's been going on. This channel was gonna be fun and all that, but honestly, it's gonna just be about real life. I'm a dad trying to rebuild himself, while at the same time not trying to go insane. That coming out my mouth sounds real simple, but it's not. I don't like the position I'm in right now. I haven't liked it for a long time, but now it's really coming to a head. And you know, it's just, shit's about to get really different. And I feel like I should probably record some of it, maybe, possibly. I already started recording the night I went to the fucking hospital. I'll probably drop that here. Life has just been crazy. Life's different for a single dad that's actually trying to do something. Life's different for a single dad that has mental problems, but hasn't really noticed it until, I guess, too late. And shit is very stressful. I love my babies, will never leave my babies. I don't want to leave my babies. I don't know what I would do without them. So as I sit in this hotel room all by myself, it's very fucking weird not hearing my children. Like at one point I thought this would be cool. At one point I thought I'd be okay with this, but now that I'm at this point, I don't like it. I fucking hate it. I don't like not being around my kids. I don't like it. No matter how much they get on my fucking nerves, I don't like it. I don't like not being around them. I don't like being 35 minutes away from my children. I know they're in good hands. I know they're in good hands. I have no problem with the people that they're with. It's just, I don't like it. I don't. I want to get to a point where I don't have to deal with. Look, that's never going to be a thing. I'm always going to have to deal with mental problems. That's life. That's how it's going to. I just want to deal with them, deal with those feelings better than I have been lately. And I think me recording and doing these things may help. Who knows? I'm just a dad that's tired. You know, like I feel like I'm part of a rare breed of fathers that are there for their children, and It seems like we don't get anything. But I don't want to go down that path because that's gonna make me sound red pill and shit. And no, that's not me. I'm just a regular dude going through regular life, having regular problems. There's nothing wrong with me. I'm just a man rebuilding himself. Simple as that. There's nothing wrong with it. There will never be anything wrong with a man rebuilding himself at any point in his life. Especially if it's for the better. As I sit in this hotel room, 35 minutes away from my kids. Just a man trying to rebuild his life. A man that lost his way for a small second, that caused a big reaction. Can't do anything but accept and move forward. There is no point in sitting down and wallowing in sorrow. Wallowing in sorrow won't get me back to my kids. Wallowing in sorrow won't help my position out in the slightest bit. Wallowing in sorrow is not going to do you any good. Wallowing in sorrow is listening to regret. You don't want to listen to regret. You want to listen to progression, getting better. So yeah, day one of better days. Day one of not listening to the regret. We're listening to progression. We're listening to moving forward. We haven't failed nobody. We are working on it. We are building ourselves back up to where we should have been in the first place, but there's nothing wrong with the point you are at now. That's all I gotta say. There's nothing wrong with feeling down. There's nothing wrong with going out and getting help. There's nothing wrong with it.